Hey guys, happy Wednesday. I'm back in my quarantine hideout for hopefully the last day. I'm sure you've been very concerned. I am feeling much better, and hopefully this is all past. Unfortunately, my wife now has it, and we're trying to avoid passing it to anyone else, in or out of our family. Um, Today, I've got a couple things I'm going to have you do here at the end of the week. And like I said, next week we will plan on next Tuesday having your test on plants. For today, excuse me, a couple things I want you to do. One, there is an Ed Puzzle video that I will post here on Google Classroom. And I just edited a section of the video. So it's probably about, I think it's 12 minutes or something like that. I want you to watch that video, and then there are questions that will pop up. There's 10 questions. It will be a 10-point assignment. Should be fairly simple, hopefully. But you're going to watch that video, answer the questions that go with it. Then, what I want you to do is you are going to do that same quizzes that we've done multiple times, or that some of you have. I've checked to see who's done it, and some of you have not. Today, on today's quizzes, it's going to be an assignment. So this is what you're going to have to do. You get one chance at it. So be very careful. It's not based on your total points at the end, but how many questions you have correct. So make sure you get those correct. If you want to go back to yesterday's that was posted and do that as a practice run, you can do that, but just understand that the one that I'm posting for today, you can only do it one time. So good luck with that. Now, I've seen a lot of your scores, and a lot of you are getting 100% on it. So if you've been doing that, it should be no problem for you. I'll go on too. I think at least in the 8th grade one, there were the redemption questions and all that goofy stuff was still on there. So I'll get rid of those for this one because that doesn't really factor in to anything anyway. And then, so after you do those two things, so you've got the video Ed Puzzle questions on plants. It's basically just on seeds and flowers and photosynthesis. So you do the Ed Puzzle, you do the quizzes questions, and it doesn't matter which one you do first. Then I'm going to post down below, since we haven't had any phonology this week, I'm going to post my book that I made. A couple years ago made a phonology book, and I haven't really figured out how to ever use it as far as in class, or I've got a couple other schools that have taken it and use it with them, and it's kind of funny that they do, and I hear I'm the one that made it, and we don't use it here. But basically, I'm going to post the book down below, just a digital copy of it. And I want you to take, I mean, it's not super long. It'll probably takes you maybe 15 minutes to go through. I want you to go through, read the book. It's not like a chapter book. It's a lot of pictures, small amounts of writing. But that's going to be kind of your phonology lesson for this week. Okay? And then you can have that, I mean, obviously to look at it anytime. I do have a paper copy of it or a hard copy of it on my desk somewhere. It's probably underneath some of the junk on the front corner. And that's it. Then after those three things are done, you can have a fantastic weekend, and hope you enjoy your long break. Hope you're all staying healthy, and believe it or not, I am looking forward to seeing all of you next week when I get back, because sitting here in quarantine is quite boring. So those three items, good luck, have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys next week.